Barely got him. His lips all messed up. Jeez. Bluegills are awesome. Black ones are just so much thicker. They always just look like they're way nicer. It's way more good to eat. Got a whole school of them. Oh. That's a little black crappie. I like the plain white tee. I'm a big fan. Not the band, but it's the outfit. There you go. That's it. It's a white. It's a good one. That's probably the best one of the day. Hell yeah, that's probably one of the nicest ones today. I don't know, it might be right in there. Got a bunch of these though. There you go. A white crappie. Oh, it's an awkward position. Fish on, motherfucker. Crappie. Fish off. Fish on. Bluegill. Oh, it's a nice crappie actually. Black crappie. He ran actually. I'm surprised. Just like your black crappie, he actually ran a little bit. Nice one. I mean, not a nice one, but let me see. Perfect. There's not a good way to transaction a bluegill. Is that one of them really black? One of them males. Bluegill. I got a bluegill too. That disproves our theory, so that's nice. Fish on. And proves our theory. I was on the outside, bluegill. You're on the inside, crappie. Shoot, I need some pliers. You got him? Nice crappie. It's a white crappie. Nice work. Same spot, dude. That's like 4 out of the same spot, isn't it? So you were just on the... So it seems like crappies next to the stump, bluegill on the outside of the stump. We had that real nice day. Here's one. It's like a bluegill. It's a nice bluegill though. Really nice one. It's got like some splotches on it. Nice crappie, nice crappie. Hell yeah. Sweet. Perfect, that's exactly how we should do it. It's a nice black crappie. It's a nice one, and it's probably only not even 10 inches maybe. It's a nice one though. Good work. Yeah, I'm just dropping it. Probably 8 feet down. It's about 15 here. It's real deep. Below the boat. Another one. Crappie, 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 crappie. Chris. Little white crappie. Ah, finally. Look. Oh, that's a fish. That's a bluegill though. Whoa. Okay, that was cool. Oh, fish on. Bluegill though. I almost caught that. Just caught the trolling motor.